What's up, guys, and good morning. It is post ride by about a week, and as you can tell, the YFCs, this is Jesse's, that's Ric Flair back there, are covered, but it's been in the 20s, like we can't do anything about it. It's warming up to 30 today, so I'm going to try to take it to a car wash that has hot water, get them clean. Also going to take the 400 because we're going to start working on the 400 today. I could probably work on it without cleaning it. All right, Sam's here, and the 400 hadn't been wanting to even try to start. Like, it's got some electrical gremlin where it's just nothing. It's completely dead. And then every now and again, you'll push the button and it'll start to try to start, and then whoop, go for it. I've changed a lot of things on this, so who knows? But Sam said, don't clean it. It's not that bad. We'll clean it as we take it apart, all that good stuff. So it started to start, but the battery's dead because it's been sitting and it's cold. So we're going to jump it and hopefully ride it up to Jesse's shop. That's all right. Yep. I need to put some crossboards on that. It wiggled a little bit.
Oh my god. They carry?
Yeah.
Holy.
And then my swing arm too.
Yeah, it was wiggling
So if you
too.
can see it up there.
Yeah, I saw it. God, dog. A bear gone.
Yeah.
Where it went.
Sounded like it was coming off.
Oh.
Oh. This thing's gonna be nice when it's done. Yeah, pretty bad.
Come over here.
Wow. Yep, she's rough. She's real rough.
Clapped.
Clapped. Well, I mean, like you said, I've owned this thing for how long now? Yeah, that one's real floppy. And the A-arms are supposed to be straight. They're nice and curved. But I don't think the front end, I don't think anything's like super... Okay. I was going to say, I don't think anything's super loose.
I think we generate those whenever we put those on anyways, didn't we?
Yeah, you and Jesse had to, we got like the Amazon bushings or whatever. And I think you and Jesse had to work them a little bit anyways.
I think we
That
cut
was
them.
toast. Too. Well, the plan was to rebuild this in like 2 months. But it might take longer than that now. That's Sam. Stop looking at things.
That's no good.
Nice little crack in the frame. Well, I wonder what else we'll find as we get going through here.
All of it.
Yeah.
Except what Jay did.
Did it go in it?
No.
No, hanging on. Possum does not work for insulation. We will fix it. cut it off about right here.
You took it to Kentucky.
You said somebody else was working on your four-wheeler.
Yeah, but I'm really stuck on how to put it back together.
Cameraman Chase.
Yeah, it's not gonna work, dude. I'm gonna try and put it back together, and it's gonna be more stuff than when I had it.
So you tore it apart, and you want me to put it back together. Well, bring it. Once you get everything done, bring it to Jesse's, and we'll put it together.
I might just bring all the parts up there, and you can do a video on it. Or say how to fix pieces of the shit.
Yeah, he's trying to sweeten the pot by saying I can make a video and put his four-wheeler back together. Yeah. All right.
That'll be your most viewed video.
Yeah. Well, you got to be cameraman if I do that.
Okay. Oh, one more.
There was nothing holding this on. I took the tank cover off, and this fell down after I touched it.
Really?
Oh, man.
Heck yeah. We take it off.
There's nothing that's led me to believe that the subframe is broke, but could be bent. Let's see how she looks.
You need to tell Chase to get that airbox lid.
I have. He don't listen real well. Yikes. We gotta chop some off of that. So we, why not do 2 inches instead of a 1/2 inch? And my HMF exhaust is off of the 400, so I can do stuff to the 400. So why not chop this down? So what we're thinking is it's a 12 inch, roughly 12 and 3/8, and we could go as far back as a 6 inch exhaust. If I cut it right there, we still have both mounting brackets. And I could move this to here, and it'd be about this big.
I'd say we do it.
I mean, why not? It's an old exhaust.
Send it.
Yep. I can.
That looks super short though.
Yeah. I bet
That's probably 8. Yeah.
It's gonna be a chode, little sawed
You
off
look like the
thing.
ones they put on like the go-karts and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
It's so short.
I'm ready to get it back on and see what it looks like.
It's got to sound better than when it fell off.
There she is. Find Jess. Find your socket over.
Yep. Heck yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Bazinga.
Yeah. There you go.
Whoa.
Looks like you need to cut that side off and use this side.
There you go, yeah. So now we have to make it shorter.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Wow. I did not know that. I was not expecting that.
Holy cow.
It's a wonder that it ain't.
Like, made a hot spot or something?
Yeah, like started burning the powder coat off, because that's what happens. Man, it's gonna sound better.
Holy crap.
It's gonna sound better having packing in it, like all the way.
I wonder if you can.
Might be
No,
more
you
thumpy.
can't see a thing down in there.
Be a little bit more thumpy.
Yeah, you would think like right here. That's probably where it was.
Yeah, I think so. Like right here.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Good powder coat on HMF's part, I guess.
Yeah, I mean you can see where it's bubbling right here.
Yeah.
So it might have been a moisture thing too. I don't know.
Cool.
Makes me feel a little bit better about chopping this up now.
Yeah, look at that. Debadged. It's a Chevy now.
Do I leave it off or do I put it on?
I'll put it back on.
I'd put it on.
I want them to know that you can buy an HMF shorty.
You can if you want to chop up a perfectly good example.
I say leave it like this.
No,
Probably
like you
flow
could buy
better.
one, so you would have to buy a brand new one and chop it up. Or buy used and chop it up.
Buy cheap and modify.
Buy cheap and modify. We need a shirt.
Yeah.
All proceeds go to Rob.
Look at that. Professional hole driller.
Have that sticker on my hard hat.
Hey, not to tell you like how to do your job, but do you want to put this on and then do the other one? Okay. Okay.
Didn't even try hard and it comes out.
She's tight. Look at you.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
Where were we at that the dude was reading a freaking book?
Oh, yeah. That was recently.
Yeah.
You told me about that.
That was on our way home from Deerfield, wasn't it? Driving down the interstate reading a fucking book.
Had his book on the steering wheel.
And I think
Not like a Tesla or nothing. Like. Not only is he a nerd, but he's a dangerous one. Actually, looks pretty good. It's small.
mine off. So something we discovered that I don't think you saw, but I know the camera didn't, is I didn't clock these holes. I
Yeah.
clocked these holes for the rivets, but I should have clocked these.
So that
So
it's
it's
looking
slightly off.
Yeah.
Dad was like, run it to where it kicks out, and if you rotate it, it does 90 directly out.
Yeah.
I was like, I don't like the way it looks, but it might just like scream in somebody's ear right there. But
Yeah,
it's
I
not
see it
bad.
now.
Like,
Yeah.
until I tell somebody, they probably won't even notice.
Can you take the battery out of one of the 250s? Did you see the fireball come out of that thing?
It's also probably not jetted for it now. Pretty loud.
That's rowdy.
I did. That is nuts. For frame of reference, the brake clean can.
Huh?
Quiggy's gonna want us to chop his.
Yeah.
Drake, just chop this off right here.
Well, hell yeah.
I'm just gonna run a header like a race car.
So I tried to do it like you guys did, but I fucked up.